Cooking is fun when you are doing the right thing. So, guys, if you want to learn or know how to cook Ofeakwu or Banga stew using tin Banga, please, this video is for you. Just pay attention for this. In this video, you understand the procedure or step by step how to cook Banga stew or Ofeakwu like a professional using tin, the tin Banga or processed Banga. So first of all, you have to open your tin Banga, bring out the sauce or the processed Banga stored in the tin like you are watching in this video. Then use your warm water to melt everything, to dissolve it. I will not tell you to pour everything inside the pot of your meat or whatever. No, to me it's a long way. Just try to melt it a little bit. Use hot water, warm water that you can hold with the tin. Then dissolve it as I'm doing in this video. When you finish dissolving it, make sure you put enough water, but don't put too much water, so that the black things, there are some things that we will see under the akwu or the posa. I don't know how to say it when you leave it for a while. So just do it, leave it. So this is me cooking my protein. I have chicken and fish there. Another side I'm cooking my rice and beans. So after a while, come back to it. Slowly decamp the apple into the pot you used to see it. You would see some black things that will remain at the bottom of the pan or whatever you used to melt the apple. Yeah, you see those black things. There are some brand of tin Banga you use, it will come out too much. There are some. So another thing I like doing when I'm using tin Banga to cook my food, I like putting it enough fresh tomato and fresh onions, depending on the quantity of the stew I'm making. That's Banga stew I'm making. That's fresh tomato and onions will make me feel the freshness in that stew, because I know I'm using processed tin Banga for it. So this fresh tomato and the fresh onions will bring it that freshness out for me. So try it. It tastes good in stew, in Ofeakwu. Don't feel like, oh, what am I eating? So try this method. You understand what I'm telling you. So after that, make sure, another one I will tell you is, make sure you cook the Banga. So as in make sure you cook it for a long time. If there's any smell, any odor, any taste it will have, everything will evaporate. At the time I have to leave my pot open, allow it to cook for a while. Make sure there's oil on top of it before adding my other ingredients. And now I'm adding my meat. Then it depends on how thick my soup is, depending on the meat stock I'm adding. So I know I need extra meat stock. That's why I added enough meat stock in when I was cooking the meat. If not, I'll just reduce my meat stock depending on the quantity of the stew you're cooking. Please don't overpour water into your Ofeakwu, so it will not be too watery. Then you blend your crayfish pepper. Me, I'm adding ogiri in my Ofeakwu. That's me. If you want it, you add. It's very good for the tin again. Then you add your Banga spices. That's it. Anything that will make you to like a Ofeakwu, add. Then you see me adding enough onions. So that tomato and the onions I blended before, it will even help in thickening the Banga stew. Yeah, it helps also in thickening the Banga stew. I don't know. There's freshness it gives to the Ofeakwu, even the color and everything. It helps. Try it if you have not tried it. If you are using Banga, tin Banga to cook your Banga stew, try to add some fresh tomato and fresh, blend everything together and onions and add it. You understand what I'm saying, telling you. So at this time, everything, I've added all my ingredients, added my seasoning, taste for salt. Just add everything, taste for your salt, taste for anything you want to taste, adjust everything you want to adjust. So the next thing here is me adding my scent leaf. So I have frozen scent leaf. If you have fresh one, you add. If you have dry one, you add. but this one is one I have frozen scent leaf. So I added it, stir for a while. You see, look, I just look at the look of the Ofeakwu now. Does it look like what I cook with Banga? No, because of the process and how I did it. So thanks for your seasoning. Adjust your seasoning. If you want to add more salt, you add. Those of you that like seasoning cube too much, if you want to add more, add. If you want to add more pepper, you add. So make sure you adjust your seasoning before you test everything before you off your gas. Look at the Ofeakwu is cooking. So this time I'm adding my vegetable. I'm using spinach because where I am I can't have access to ugu. So I'm added my spinach. If you have your ugu or anything you want to use a vegetable, you add at this time. Just how many seconds or minutes. Vegetable don't need to cook for long. Your Ofeakwu is ready to serve. So simple and easy. Just follow this procedure. You will get your Ofeakwu right. The taste will be like as if you are using original fresh banga to cook. So at this time I'm adding my fish because I've already cooked the fish before. Use my air fryer to dry it. So I'm adding it just to cover it to cook with the vegetable. It doesn't need to cook long because everything I just for some taste of this Banga Stew or Ofeakwu to enter inside the feeder zone. Stir for the last time, and my Ofeakwu is ready, guys. Just look at the Ofeakwu it is. Look at it. It looks like fresh banga, as I want to cook with fresh banga. There's some people that will see their Ofeakwu will be like, this one. But if I didn't tell you or show you the process, you wouldn't know that this Banga Stew was made with tin banga process. Yeah, it's processed akwu stored in a can for who knows when. Even I don't want to say much because we don't have choice than to eat it. Sometimes we'll be craving for it to eat it. So my food is ready at this time, so I'm serving it with rice and beans by the side. See, my food is still fucking hot. See, the hotness is still there. So you serve with the Ofeakwu. This is a very nice combination. You can eat this Ofeakwu with yam, beans, rice, potato, anything. Some people used to eat it with swallow. So it depends on you. So guys, that is just try this method. You will like it. Please, if you watch this video to this extent and you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you still waiting for? Guys, please subscribe to my channel, like, follow and share my videos, please. I love you guys as always. Remain blessed and bye bye.